guys, welcome back, and I have to tell you, I have found my new favorite place. I am here at the Discover Sewing here in Duluth, Georgia. So it took me a while to find it. I've been searching for sewing machine repair shops just in the state of Georgia, period. So I finally found one. So if you're not familiar with Duluth, it's kind of north of the city of Atlanta. And so if you are close to, I would say, the city of Atlanta, DeKalb County, Gwinnett County, Forsyth, maybe Hall, and up in the Beaufort and the Kula area. This might be a little ride, but it's kind of in this northeast Atlanta area. So I have found a shop, and I just wanted to show you guys kind of some of the things that they have here. They do sewing classes, which is amazing, and they have a couple Harsvana, Brother, and another sewing machine line that I'm not really familiar with. But they do have a wide selection of sewing machines, plus accessories, plus fabric. And so I just wanted to let you know that if you are in Northeast Atlanta and you are willing to travel, man, y'all just don't know how hard it was to find a repair shop for my baby. I broke my machine, but the prices seem to be really reasonable. So I will be bringing my machine in, both of my machines, my Singer and my Brother, in for repair. But I definitely want you guys to see. So we're back in the classroom area so I don't bother anybody. And but I'll show you some pictures and some video of all the products that they offer, and I think you guys will really enjoy coming out here and supporting this business. All right, so
well, that's all the time we have for today. We'll see you next. Well, that's it for the show. We'll see you next time.
We'll see you next time.